everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Have you ever been reselling and feeling like it's a juggling balancing act? Well, we're going to unbox some boxes. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the things that you have to do in order to keep the balance headed in your direction, making money roll down the hill. That's a lot of different examples I just did. Anyway, we're going to look inside these boxes, find all the fun stuff, and see what we get. All right, so we've got liquidation, wholesale. And so we're going to open all of these boxes. And I'm going to talk about how, you know, in reselling, you have to spend money to make money. It gets a little scary sounding at first because you're like, what if I make a bad investment? Well, liquidation, generally, more interesting stuff, cooler stuff, better margins. You can find it at a cheaper price usually and flip it for more profit. Not always, but most of the time. Wholesale is something you can order over and over again, but a little bit tighter margins. And so I usually do both because it keeps my business balanced. Things that people want all the time, I can continue to get through wholesale. And then the liquidation keeps people coming back to my store because I have fun, new, interesting things. So let's check out the interesting stuff first. We're going to open up the 888 lots liquidation ones. So you are able to buy singular items from quite a few liquidators. So I know 888 Lots does this. I think Via Trading has a program where you can buy individual items. And if you order regularly from any liquidator, you can usually get repeat products for the most part. And so let's see what we get in this box. All right. So we've got lots of bubble wrap, which will be useful later. Okay, this says 2-pack. Okay, I think I know what this is. I've opened a box similar to this before, but we want to show you what it is. This is, let me just move this box over. So we may see a few repeats just because I like to reorder some of the same things that I know is selling well. These are Himalayan salt lamps. I'm going to show you what one of them looks like. If I can get it out of the box. Hold on. All right. So we're selling them currently right now on Hooked on Pickin in a 2-pack. I know I'm opening this probably upside down, but that's actually good because that's the end that the salt lamp is on. Yep. So that's what they look like. Himalayan salt lamps. Comes with the bulb. They are smart. They ship the bulb inside here so it doesn't get broken. And then all of the electrical and the on-off switch and all that stuff is in the bottom of the box. So Himalayan salt lamps. We're selling them in a 2-pack on hookedonpickin.com. Wait till the end of this video. I will give you prices for every single thing that I unboxed today, just so that if you're interested. Also, for those of you who have been enjoying our fire sales, we are going to do another fire sale. Summertime has just been crazy for us. So August 19th, which is a Thursday at noon Central Standard Time, is when we're having our next fire sale. So make sure you turn in. If you've never been to a fire sale, check out hookedonpickin.com and just type in fire sales and watch one of our old ones. These are also Himalayan salt lamps. All right.
It's scary they pack those lamps.
The last time they packed one of the lamps with these, I ended up with a broken coffee cup. So I'm actually going to quick check these and see, are they in one piece? Because they're pretty easy to check. You just pop out this top one. But last time, the handle was broke off and it was cracked. This one seems to be good. Look at that. I've cut back to just 1 cup of coffee a day. This is probably about how much coffee I drink because I'm ridiculous. All right. So that one is really good. We're going to check the other 4. And you can find these right on hookedonpickin.com. I don't hear anything shaking. So my guess is we're in good shape. You know what I'm just going to do? Just do the shake test. If I hear rattling, because the other one was clearly like tink, 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 because it was all in broken pieces. Oh, that one's good. I will look at those later. But I want you guys to not have to wait for me. I want you to see what's all in the box. So that's why I don't want to spend the time looking and see if it's broken. Oh, these are awesome. Okay, I have unboxed these before. This is a cool mat. It's kind of got like a sun shell kind of look. But these, I looked them up. They're about 25 bucks online, 20 to 25 bucks, and we have them for $9.99. They're really, really neat. They're rubber backed, and there's a couple of them. Just really beautiful mats. So we got a bunch of those. So that's liquidation. You're going to get some interesting things. This is individual product liquidation. Now, you can get kind of the variety box, which you've seen me unbox before, and I believe I'm unboxing some more tomorrow. So if you want a variety box, check those out. But these are individual item liquidation.
If all of these sell out, if all the mats sell out, can you get more?
Generally, no, because it's liquidation. Wholesale, I can. So this is Wholesale. This is a place that I found down at the Dallas Market Week when we were in Dallas at the Dallas Road Show. And this is a toy company that took 3 months to get my order to me. Long story about that. We'll talk about it on a live stream sometime. All right, what are these? Precious necklace and craft kit. Totally in text. So the purple box basically says express your mood jewelry. So it's got the chain, and you can put be mine or dream big or I love you or put your name. So it's got a nice craft kit with all these letters and stuff, and you can kind of put anything you want on the beads. Nice craft kit. And then this one is express your mood with jewelry. Was at the front of it. And so this has all these different kind of, so you got rose quartz, amethyst, lapis, aquamarine, jade, and citrine, and then you got your chain. So this is like DIY jewelry, which we had another one that we opened from this company before that had the pretty memory sand. So it had the little bottle, put the sand in it, and you put various different things in there as like a keepsake. So these are really cool. So that's all of those. So you'll be able to find those on Hooked on Pickin. So if I sold out of those, I could reorder them. So that's kind of how I balance my business, because if I sell out of those, bummer, good deal, good margins. But if people want to come back and buy them again, they can't, but they can come back and buy the necklaces. And so that's another way to keep things balanced, where you still have product on your store, you have a reason for people to come back to it, but you also have interesting pieces that you can offer from the liquidators. So a good way to balance things in your resale business. Ooh, love tie-dye. Tie-dye kit. So it has purple, orange, teal, and pink tie-dye kit. And so you can make, we just made tie-dye shirts for campers. I wish I would have had all these kits for them to buy, be able to use. But it's got all of the things needed for the tie-dye kit. All the colors and stuff. So it comes with 4 dye bottles and 1 soda ash bag, which I guess is used in tie-dyeing. I don't know much about tie-dyeing. And it'll dye up to 8 shirts. It also comes with protective gloves and the instructions and all the rubber bands to do the tie-dye. So that's pretty fun.
Cool.
So tie-dye kits, I know we're going to be able to put those at a really good price. Okay, make sure you stay tuned to the end. All right, now we have more variety again. So replenish, and then those are, maybe they'll be in stock and maybe they won't. All right, then what do we have in this box? I feel like I'm opening this one upside down, but maybe I'm not. I don't think so. We got some padding in the top, so probably not. All right. Okay, so we got some more gigantic coffee mugs. Now, last time I ordered these mugs, I actually got 2 different kinds, but this time I did not. These are we've just cut back to 1 cup of coffee a day, but they sell so fast that I'm really excited to get more. Now, I had ordered them before, and they only had 2 in stock at the liquidator, and I had to wait literally 2 or 3 months before they had them back in stock again. And you guys were like, I want one of those giant coffee cups. And now we have them in stock. All right, I think $14.99 is what we've got on those. Woo, they did it again. Himalayan salt lamps. Yeah.
Is that all that's in the...
That's all. That we've got a 1 2-pack, 1 2-pack, and another 2-pack. So these are all Himalayan salt lamps. So buying liquidation, you get a variety of things. I'm going to do some really good variety boxes tomorrow, so make sure you tune in tomorrow, because those are kind of like your, all it says is home box or garden box, and you get basically 1 or 2 of everything. Now here I've got like 5 boxes of the Himalayan. I got 3 boxes of the gigantic coffee mug. So it's a lot more quantity of the same item, which is awesome for listing because it doesn't take so much time. But tomorrow, I'm definitely going to be getting the boxes that you get basically 24 different items, and they're all different. You might have 2 of these and then 1 of everything else. So that's going to be really interesting. So liquidation is always super fun, and I love learning about the things that I unbox. You don't always have to know everything. But having a balanced reseller business means you got to have things that people are going to keep coming back to your store for, and you got to have enough interesting stuff that people are enticed to come to your store as well. All right, so here are all the prices for our cool kind of sunbeam shell rug here, we have $9.99 for that. You can find everything on hookedonpickin.com. Then for our 1 cup of coffee a day giant half-gallon mug, $14.99 for those. Then this is going to be a 2-pack of Himalayan salt lamps. So you're going to get this and another lamp for $12.99. So we're selling both of them for $12.99. Then our awesome tie-dye kit with all of the things you need to tie-dye, $8.99 for that tie-dye kit. And then our cool craft making necklace kits, the Totally in Text necklace craft kit and the Precious in Crystals necklace craft kit, $4.99 a piece, ages 8+. So hopefully you find some amazing things and you learned exactly how to balance things in your reselling business. So hopefully this was a fun video learning about balancing your reselling business. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're sad about this video, we don't want any thumbs downs. All right, we want you to be happy about this video. These little octopus are available on hookedonpickin.com as well as many other things. We have these awesome mystery boxes. You can get girls' toys, boys' toys, similar to these types of things. You can also get home and kitchen boxes and various other ones. My favorite is the mystery of mystery boxes. You pay $25, $50, or $75 and you always end up with more than that amount in value inside each box, as well as many other things that are not offered on the store go into those boxes, so it's really fun. We also have a Candy Valentine box that we're trying to move real fast. It's a medium size and it's only $14.99. So check that out to get a really good deal on those things. And so hopefully you go to hookedonpickin.com and find some amazing deals.